Number 999 Ford F150 Lariat, 2,850 Olympia, Washington. This two-wheel drive Ford F-150 is powered by the 302 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With only 115,000 original miles, it represents a well-preserved example of a late 8th generation F-Series. The paint is aged with some, and the truck carries a single dent on the passenger side bed, along with a replacement tailgate that needs paint. The interior is good with working power windows and locks, though the air conditioning requires charging. Mechanical upgrades include a new alternator, window motor, exhaust system, and a Dynaflow muffler that enhances both performance and exhaust note. At under $3,000, this truck is an attractive entry-level classic pickup. Number 2, 1985 Ford F-150, $3,000, Port Orchard, Washington. This red Ford F-150 is equipped with the 300 cubic inch inline-6 engine and manual transmission. The odometer shows 55,000 miles, has rolled over. Recent maintenance includes new brakes, water pump, tires, and a radio. This truck represents a 6th generation F-Series nearing the end of its production run and is appreciated for its simplicity and durability. Its affordable price makes it a practical project or daily driver for those who enjoy analog motoring. Number 3, 1969 Chevrolet C10, $5,000, Salinas, California. This 3/4-ton Chevrolet C20 long bed is powered by a 396 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor. It retains an automatic transmission. With an odometer that has rolled over and broken, actual mileage is unknown. The truck has visible rust around the cab, but the body is in otherwise fair condition. As part of Chevrolet's popular 2nd generation CK lineup, this truck offers solid mechanical bones for a restoration. Priced reasonably at $5,000, it provides an authentic late 1960s heavy-duty American truck experience. Number 4, 1974 Ford F350 dump truck, $2,800, Meyers, California. This one-owner Ford F350 dump truck was used for groundskeeping, never for heavy hauling. It features a 6-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and a hydraulic dump system, with recent replacements including the hydraulic pump, steering gear, and muffler. The odometer shows 51,000 miles, but likely has 151,000. It runs well, though 3rd gear requires careful shifting. The body is solid, making this a strong candidate for continued work use or a utility classic restoration. Number 5, 1968 Ford F100, $7,000, Floresville, Texas. This half-ton Ford F100 is equipped with the 240 cubic inch inline-6 and 3-speed column shift. It has undergone important updates, including a rebuilt original-style carburetor, valve adjustments, rebuilt steering column, and new ignition components. Small rust repairs have been made, and the truck sits on nearly new tires. The interior, including the working AM radio and heater, remains highly original. This truck is an excellent example of Ford's 5th generation pickups and is priced fairly for its condition. Number 6. 1960 Dodge D200 stepside, $8,000, Summerlin, California. This older restoration Dodge D200 features a stepside bed and V8 engine with manual transmission. These early 1960s Dodge trucks are becoming increasingly rare compared to their Ford and Chevrolet counterparts. The styling, with pronounced fins and a rugged stance, makes them stand out. At $8,000, this truck is a solid buy for collectors seeking something outside the more common Ford and Chevrolet offerings. Number 7. 1969 Ford F100 Ranger, $10,000, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This Ford F100 Ranger has received extensive drivetrain updates, including a rebuilt 390 cubic inch V8 with performance upgrades such as a crane cam, Edelbrock intake, Holley carburetor, and Sanderson headers. The C6 automatic has been rebuilt with a shift kit. Interior improvements include carpet, recovered seats, and a low-car shifter. While the odometer has rolled over, the truck is mechanically strong and represents a tasteful Ristamod approach. Its price reflects both originality and performance upgrades. Number 8. 1956 Chevrolet C10, $10,000, Nipomo, California. This family-owned 1956 Chevrolet C10 has been in the same household since new and remains largely original. Powered by a 283 cubic inch V8 with 4-speed manual transmission, it runs and drives reliably. While rust is present and the bed needs restoration, the truck has been maintained with items such as a new grille, heater core, and battery. Early C10s are highly collectible, and this one, with documented history, represents a perfect restoration candidate at a reasonable price. Number 9. 1968 Chevrolet C20 Custom Camper, $17,500, Placer County, California. This 3/4-ton C20 is described as very straight and highly original, with excellent chrome, glass, and stainless trim. The interior remains in factory condition, including the original dash pad and seat. Mechanically, it has a newer 350 engine, rebuilt carburetor, Flowmaster exhaust, and clean engine bay. However, the transmission has suffered coolant contamination from a failed cooler. Despite this, the truck's originality and straight body make it valuable for collectors willing to address the transmission issue. Number 10. 1968 Chevrolet C10, $10,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This short bed C10 features a 305 cubic inch V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It is equipped with power drum brakes and has been lowered 4 inches front and 6 inches rear, giving it a performance stance. It includes 2 sets of wheels and a full set of odometer gauges. With its clean presentation and drivability, it appeals to enthusiasts looking for a driver-ready classic with mild custom touches. Number 11. 1964 GMC Stepside, $8,500, Granite Falls, Washington. This orange stepside GMC is a daily drivable example of mid-1960s General Motors design. It runs well and has many new components including battery, tires, carpet, and fuel tank. The interior has been refreshed and the body appears straight. GMC trucks from this era are less common than Chevrolets, but share much of the same mechanical simplicity, making them practical for enthusiasts. Number 12. 1967 Dodge D100, $6,200, Tucson, Arizona. This long wheelbase Dodge D100 half-ton is equipped with the 225 cubic inch slant 6 and 4-speed manual transmission. It remains remarkably original, with a rust-free body thanks to its Arizona history. Recent upgrades include a new aluminum radiator, Optima battery, seat reupholstery, and all-terrain tires. The truck comes with numerous spare parts and literature. As a numbers-matching example of a rare Dodge pickup, it offers excellent value at this price. Number 13. 1978 Dodge Pickup 1/2 ton, $600, early Texas. This Dodge pickup, powered by the 318 cubic inch V8 with automatic transmission, is a farm-used truck that no longer runs. The body is straight and the bed in good condition, though the exterior has been painted in camouflage. It lacks a title and the driver's side door glass, but is priced at only $600, making it a parts donor or affordable restoration candidate. Number 14. 1984 Nissan 720, $3,900, Mount Hood, Parkdale, Oregon. This Nissan 720 compact pickup has been repainted and remains a reliable driver. It is powered by a 4-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission. Mechanical maintenance has included replacement of the slave and master cylinders, ensuring reliable clutch operation. The odometer shows 140,000 miles, and the title is rebuilt. The interior has minor wear, including a tear on the driver's seat. As Japanese compact pickups from the 1950s gain collector interest, this truck represents a solid, affordable choice.